Hey guys, so today we're making Play-doh, and this is a very important to the way it needed to get done.
Because you can't be a timid motherfucker changing history. You got to lay a motherfucker out to let them know how serious you are with your shit. To let them know we got to change this shit and make some new shit happen. I believe our president, see, it's Black History Month, baby. And our president, President Barack Obama, do you think that nigga don't cuss? Shit. He be up in that goddamn Oval Office telling Michelle, I'm telling you I'm ready to fuck somebody else, Michelle. I'm sick of these motherfuckers. Trying to save the fucking world. These niggas keep talking some bullshit. I'm telling you, Shelly. You want some of this? They're not left this down, baby. Y'all know our president cool as shit. Y'all know we got a cool ass president. And see, I know my position. I couldn't be fucking Michelle Obama. She sits in an amazing position. And she sits with grace and elegance, and she's got to hold her fucking tongue, because you know Michelle is a straight up sister all fucking day. See, it's a difference when we say a sister in that position and we question her sisterhood, but that bitch, please believe, and she ain't offended at me calling her no bitch, because she understands where it's coming from. Nothing but fucking love. That bitch right there let me know she was a real fucking sister when I watched the interview with her, Caroline Kennedy, and this Asian woman. I don't know who this bitch was. It wasn't kind of chunk, but I don't know who that other Asian bitch was trying to ask Michelle some slick shit. Now you saw how it went down, and I'm watching this shit. So the Asian woman sitting there, she's trying to throw some slick shit in. So Michelle was sitting there. So she says, well, Michelle, what do you think about what people are saying about your husband? So Michelle says, we already addressed that, didn't we? And when a black woman starts doing like this, shit. Shit get ready to be different. So I'm like, we got a real sister in this motherfucking position. So Caroline Kennedy is now saying to herself, let me calm this shit down. I'm supposed to be the buffer for the Asian woman. And I know this bitch can say some shit out of line. And I got to try to smooth this shit. Here's where it got juicy. So Caroline Kennedy said, well, and she patted Michelle on her leg as if to say, I got this. Michelle pushed her hand away, crossed her motherfucking arms and said, we covered it already, didn't we? That Asian bitch sat back in her chair and they went to commercial. I said, that's the bitch I want to follow right the fuck there. That's the bitch who I want to follow right the fuck there, because you know she'll cuss a motherfucker out. That's why I know I couldn't be the first fucking lady. I could not hold that position. I thank God for the vessel he's using me for, because I couldn't sit in that position. I could not. We're at the goddamn dinner table. And the queen happens to be there. Now, I don't know proper protocol. So when I walk in the room, they automatically say to me, First Lady Monique, hey, sugar, hey, baby. And I just smoked before I came down to the dinner, so I'm feeling good. My eyes might look a little fucked up. But when you smoke, you
might be in the wrong direction, but you will go.
You be like,
at 3 a.m. You better be lucky that I'm in nightmare today. So if you want to go to my love, I might you to be in my heart.
I would go into the room and they would say to me, Monique, did you